The ability to change MIDI into vocals. That means that you can write the actual notes that you want your vocals to be, and then you can get Studio to cover that and turn that into audio. So I have this DreamPop instrument, which I created with the 10,000 Suno prompts ebook, which you can get in the link in the description. It has 200 genres, 50 prompts per genre, and a descriptor page for every genre. But anyways, to start this process off, let's go to add new track at the left, and we're going to select MIDI. And I'm just going to select the region where I want the vocals to be, which is around the chorus. And before we start drawing in the MIDI, I'm actually going to go to wavetable at the bottom center, and this is where we can select what sound we want. It's a little limited right now, but they do have some cool sounds. And I'm going to get some type of lead, not that one. That'll work, just something simple because we're going to be covering this anyway, so the sound doesn't really matter. And now that we have our synth selected, I'm going to hover over this thingy right here and go to add MIDI clip. That's right, I said thingy. And now we have this piano roll, which this lines up with actual notes of a piano. So if you double click, you can add a note, and you can see that this is C2. So I'm going to just fuck around and find out. So now I have drawn out this little melody right here. So I'm going to hit the number 2 on my keyboard to get rid of that piano roll. So now I'm just going to select this MIDI clip, and at the bottom center, you can click on this to bring up the chat. And I'm just going to tell Suno in natural language, change this MIDI into audio of an ethereal female vocalist. And let's send. So I'm going to mute our MIDI clip so we can hear the vocals that Suno has generated. This video is sponsored by the 10,000 Suno prompts ebook written by Chill Pan. It comes with 200 genres, 50 prompts per genre, and a descriptor page for every genre.